Hello and welcome. I'm Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. So today I'm going to be working on a canvas and I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour. Now this Dutch pour is going to be a little bit different than my traditional Dutch pour because this is going to be a test. So what I've done here is paint the canvas black. And then once it dried, I trimmed it out with masking tape. So that orange and white paper is actually masking tape. And I'm going to do a Dutch pour over that. Once it dries, I'm going to peel back the masking tape, basically to see how it is. So I've already started it with 3 sections. The first section and the last section are 3.5 inches, and the section in the center is 4 inches. So here I'm laying out my base coat, and this is used with all leftover paints because I really was more interested in the effect of the masking tape than the design itself. So if I decide I like this, then I will probably do it on a larger scale. So I'm blowing out my base coat now. And then I'm going to lay down my colors. So I'll be quiet and let you watch the video. And at the end, you'll see how it is when I took the tape off. I didn't know when I should take the tape off, if I should wait till the piece totally dried or just take the tape off after the paint set up for a couple of hours. And I decided to take it off after the painting had totally dried. And I did have to go back and clean up a little bit because a little bit of the paint peeled off. Not much, just a little. So I might try it again, but this time try it to take the tape off after the paint has set up for a couple of hours. So again, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what we do.